Hey guys, I had to reconnect because again something is well the the Facebook was kicking me out, so I switched to my cell data and I saw that Joey and Alice already joined, so I'm gonna re-tag you guys. Hope you'll find it again. Let's hope that this will work better. I don't know what's up with that. Good morning, Alice. I'm glad you found us again. I don't know what's up. The day seems nice. There's no rain, there's no wind. Why is my internet not wanting to cooperate? Is a mystery. Oh well. Good morning, Joey. Glad you're reconnected with me. Let's hope that my cellular data works a little bit better than the Wi-Fi. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Ari. Good morning, John. All right, so today is our last day with the formal practice of loving kindness. Of course, we will be bringing more of it in the next days, weeks, months. It's a very useful practice, but formally finishing our series, this is going to be our last day. And of course, I encourage you to keep this practice of loving kindness as your daily one, maybe not necessarily formally, but as you go through your day, just looking at people, walking around in the street, driving in your car, just wishing well to everybody, all living beings, not only people, but animals, insects, everybody who you love and everybody who you don't love so much. And see how that shifts everything in your life, because it will. It's inevitable. Today, before we start the formal practice, I'd like to read what's called Metta Sutta by Amaravati Sangha. And you remember that Metta is actually the Pali word. Pali is the language of the Buddha, the word for that is translated as loving kindness into English. And sutta is basically a verse, a teaching. So here it goes. This is what should be done by one who is skilled in goodness and who seeks the path of peace. Let them be able and upright, straightforward and gentle in speech, humble and not conceited, contented and easily satisfied, unburdened with duties, and frugal in their ways. peaceful and calm, and wise and skillful, not proud and demanding in nature. Let them not do the slightest thing that the wise would later reprove, wishing in gladness and in safety, may all beings be at ease. Whatever living beings there may be, whether they are weak or strong, omitting none, the great or the mighty, medium, short, or small, the seen and the unseen, those living near and far away, those born and to be born, may all beings be at ease. Let none deceive another, or despise any being in any state. Let none through anger or ill will wish harm upon another. Just as a mother protects with her life her child, her only child, so with a boundless heart should one cherish all living beings, radiating kindness over the entire world, spreading upwards to the skies and downwards to the depths, outwards and unbounded, free from hatred and ill will. So now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice today. Internal, external. With each breath cycle, dissolving the boundary between the inner and outer, settling into the oneness of everything there is, viscerally through the breath, sensing your interconnectedness with all. Invite effortlessness into your body, mind, and heart. Ground a little bit more into the earth, reminding yourself of this constant support that you can draw upon. Remind yourself that you don't need to be holding yourself up all the time, tensing. You can just relax and be. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Maybe put a hand or both hands on top of it to connect a little bit more viscerally with your heart energy. And gently start sending loving kindness to yourself. As always, I'll go with the traditional verse and then give you a few moments to either repeat that or choose your own words that resonate best with you today. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. If you wish, you can stay with sending loving kindness to yourself, even throughout the entire practice if there is the need to do so. If you're ready though, you can start expanding and including a friend into your practice, somebody you love dearly and you wish them happiness. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Again, only when you feel ready to expand your practice, you can start including a neutral person, a familiar stranger. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Now, only when you feel ready, only if you feel ready, think of someone you have a challenging relationship with and send loving kindness energy to them. If you don't feel ready, stay with yourself or your friend or the neutral person. Whatever you choose is fine. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now let's send the energy of loving kindness to all living beings on this planet. People, animals, insects, omitting none in all 10 directions. Just like you, all of them want to feel safe, happy, at ease. So holding the image of all the living beings in the world, start reciting your loving kindness mantra. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May all living beings be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. Now, before you finish the practice and come out of it, sit quietly for a few moments and notice your direct experience, the sensations in your body, around your heart. Don't fabricate anything. Simply connect with what is. Even if it's not as pleasant as you wish it to be. It's all right. Trust the process. Stay with this practice. And remember that with your intention, transformation is not only possible, it is inevitable. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.